loves, it's Dakota here, and I'm back with another video. Today, as you guys can tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you how I do my mini twists. Mini twists are really just my go-to low maintenance protective hairstyle, whatever you want to call it. I love them because they helped me so much with length retention when my hair was longer. I'm going to insert some clips along the way. I just want to give you guys a little bit of backstory before we get into this video. In the first 2 to 3 years of being a natural, did not discover protective styling. I was like 13 years old, like who cares, you know, just wear my hair out, and my ends were always out. I was always combing it and doing all the wrong things that you're not supposed to do, which is why over the years my hair broke a lot and I cut it off. Exhibit A. So yeah, like over the last 1 to 2 years now, I discovered protective styling, obviously, and I was like, let me try mini twists, and I loved them because they helped my hair grow so long. This was the first time that my hair reached like the back of my neck here, and that sounds kind of sad for some people, but like for me that was a big thing. Like, you know, as black girls, you're just like, your hair can't grow, you feed into that mentality, you know. And so when that happened, I was like, hey, I gotta keep doing this. But it never made sense because, like I said in the beginning, I kind of just set my hair up for failure by leaving it out and all that stuff, and trims only could do so much. So I'm gonna get back into the habit of doing these protective styles, so I'm gonna do it now. I want to say that I did blow dry my hair and do flat twists just this past week, and now I'm going to take them out, do these mini twists, and we're going to get into this video. Make sure that you comment, you like, and you subscribe if you haven't already, and we're going to get into it. I'm going to use a little bit of my yellow shea butter to take down these twists so that I'm not snagging anything and my hands are, you know. Okay, so the products that I am gonna use are the yellow shea butter by Macumba, and I'm gonna be using my melanin twist elongating style cream, and it looks like this. And I don't want to use too much of this just because I did stretch my hair and it's gonna cause my hair to shrink a little bit, so I'm not gonna use a whole leap because I already have the oil anyway. So I'm just gonna try to use a little bit, but shrinkage is kind of like inevitable anyway. So I'm gonna start. I just parted my hair straight across, and I'm just gonna grab strands as I go and just start twisting.
Braids is on the beat. 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 Braids is on the beat.
So this marks the end of the video. It's been about a couple of hours, definitely not 2 hours, about like 3 to 4 hours with breaks in between. And I'm finally done. It's like 11 o'clock at night. I'm tired, but I kind of like how they turned out. They're super like small, which is what I wanted, to be honest with you, because it kind of just lasts longer. So I'm gonna be keeping these in for about 2 weeks, and I'm probably gonna be styling them in between and keeping them stretched. But that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.